Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be making some budget-friendly cauliflower rice. I got these at Walmart for $1 each. They're thawed, they're not frozen. I made sure they're thawed, so it's easier to blend. So we're going to do this in the blender right here, as you can see. Yeah, blender. And we're gonna have some cauliflower rice because I am not doing that pre-made stuff. It's not enough and it's too expensive. Cauliflower rice on a budget. Let's do this. Okay guys, I did 1 full bag of the cauliflower. It equals 2 cups. As you can see, it's all chopped up. I usually use this setting, which is kind of dark. It's not going to work. But I usually use the setting for either the ice crusher or chopping or dicing. That tends to work better. So I'm going to do the other bag. But so far we got 2 cups out of this 1 cauliflower bag. That's not bad. Be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the second bag. Make sure that it is thawed out and a little more tender, nice and, well, this one's hot, but you don't have to make sure it's hot. Just make sure that it's up fully cooked because it's easier to cut up. As you can see, I put a few pieces at a time so it's easier. It won't get stuck. Like I say, either do the chopped or the crushed ice. Usually tends to dice it pretty good. I'll be right back. Okay everyone, we are back. We made 2 bags of the cauliflower, which equals 4 cups. That can last you a couple days if you want leftovers. Set it aside. You can make mashed potatoes or just make it as cauliflower rice. I think this is a good deal. $1 a bag. It does take a little bit of time. It took me about, I think, 20 minutes to, dice everything up in the blender. But if you have the time and you're pinching the pennies, this is the way to go. I must say, it lasts for a while. If you have 4 cups, you can make it last quite a bit. So I hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a good day. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I made some cauliflower rice in my blender. As you can see, I made 2 bags. That equals 4 cups. 4 cups. So I also got this bag of mixed vegetables. I got this at Walmart too for 88 cents. So I got 2 bags of cauliflower for $1. So that's $2.88. You can't beat that meal. I already put it in the microwave and it's all warmed up after 3 minutes. I'll be right back so you can see what it looks like all mixed together. Hello everyone, we are back and I mixed the mixed vegetables inside this large container. This is like a 9-cup container and it's almost full. So this is about almost 8 cups of we have cauliflower and say 1.5 cup of the vegetables. So yeah, this is definitely a good buy. 88 cents for the mixed vegetables, $1 each for the cauliflower, $2.88. Low carb, and it only took me about 20 minutes to prepare and mix up everything. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. You can add your seasonings as you're liking, but like I said, you can't beat the price, and it's healthy, low carb. So I hope you like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.